two. Or take whatever. Hidden foghorn. On a Zobby doing the kick below the bank. Here he goes. Yeah, you got this one, Zobby. Oh, shit, dude. You alright, man? Go! Go! Go, dude! This is going to be take one of Damien going. He doesn't know we have the foghorn. Go! You got this one, Damien. You got this. Hidden foghorn. Oh, crap, dude. What was that? This is Damien with the hidden foghorn. He doesn't know about it, though. Go! Hidden foghorn, take two on Zobby. Doesn't even know about this shit. Yeah, you're gonna land this one. Oh, shit. Take two, Zobby. Hidden foghorn. Go! Alright, this is Damien. He doesn't know we have a foghorn, though. Go! Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Ha ha ha!